Hey everybody, and welcome back. So we're gonna be continuing Shadow of Mordor. Mordor, whatever, same shit. So we left off last time, I think, where the game wanted us to attack that captain or someone like that. So we're just gonna be picking up right, hopefully, where we left off. Oh, am I pressing escape? Oh, okay. I was like waiting for the game to load, but it's already loaded. Okay. So let's see if I still remember the controls. Okay.
Just you wait and see.
Let's snipe these guys. The aim sensitivity is it's kind of weird. I don't know how to describe it. It's really odd. It's not like it doesn't feel smooth. That's where I'm timing it. Did I kill him? No. Okay. Jump down here.
Stop the slave!
Oh, let's drain him.
Overwhelming!
Oh my gosh. Did I get any of L-Shot? No, I gotta completely drain them. Is it control? Yeah, okay. I was like wondering. Here we go. Now we can drain. Oh, come on. I killed every single enemy. I need some L-Shot. So it says to go over there. Don't want to go over there. I want to explore a little bit. It looks really interesting like the house over here. Here we go. Okay. Can we drain them from here?
Taste steel!
Yes. Oh, it doesn't kill him. Oh, I see. It's kind of like that. You could do that. Steal something from them, like their soul or something. I don't know. Execute him. Is it left shift? I don't remember. Yeah, okay, left shift and click. How? Oh, what? What was that? Oh, how do I do that again? Oh, what did I do? I don't know what I did. I think I like jumped over him or something. Let's take a look. Oh, what's this? Let's have some of this. Left control. What did I do? Algeron. Oh, full health. Enter. The blood red flower of Algeron may have grown in Middle Earth for centuries, perhaps since its first age. Ancient texts suggest it was of an evil omen, flowering where the bones of dead men rest. According to legend, Algeron, who's also thrives on mishap, death, and the suffering of others. The Uruks despise the plant because of its striking beauty and have targeted for extermination to the extent that they have ignored the plant's usefulness as both an antitoxin and antivenom. Well, that doesn't make very much sense. That isn't very smart now, is it? Like, we're not gonna use this flower because it's too pretty, although it's really good, it can help cure you and save your life, but we don't use it. Like, really? Come on. Where are we going? The map. I want this thing. An artifact. So I'm gonna turn left. Turn hard left and slice. Slice.
What was that noise?
Nothing at all. Just keep moving. Oh, enter the Wraith world, hold B. Oh, enter B. Okay, found it. Can I deactivate it? Is this it? Okay, that's not it. We don't need to read this. Potato-like root, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Plant, rarity, Middle Earth, little's known, healing agents, cool shit. Where's this artifact at? Does it glow? Does it? Am I on top? Oh, I missed it. What? Okay. Apparently it's up here. Oh, there it is. Okay, this has to be it. What do I do? Left control. Very cool. I got it. Oh. These artifacts hold memories of Mordor. Use something and something to look around and press X to reveal it. Oh, what other game did this? Oh, here we go. Wait, let's read this. Algeron's eruptions are sudden and violent. When the mountain awakes in fire, none are safe. The sky is darkened with smoke and ash, and fiery rocks are shot high into the air before landing with deadly force. This glassy obsidian stone is one of those volcanic rocks. It dates back to the Second Age, perhaps to when the Dark Lord formed his initial bond with the volcano. These remnants of Algeron's fury are prized for their hardness. They are often sharpened to make weapons. Oh, okay. And then X to play memory.
Where'd you get off to, child?
I found this, Daddy.
This kind of rock is very rare. It comes from the volcano. There. Now, Doom is a foul place, angry and mean. It will explode when Sauron is near and plotting, spitting all manner of foulness into the air. Smoke and dust and rocks that burn the ground. It does this as a warning. I will not stay silent for long. Sort of like your mother. Don't tell your mother I said that.
So this rock is...
It is a rock, nothing more. And you needn't be afraid of a rock or Doom, which is silent to this
Don't be afraid of
day.
Doom.
And sweetie, if you need a lesson from all this, why, here's a fine one. Even a foul place like that volcano can produce beautiful things.
That's cute. Let's move on. Let's get out of Wraith mode, and then, and like every section. Oh, he was saying something. There's something called an Ithildin. So let's head back. Oh, fast travel. Oh, done. Cool.
There's been no sign of fire on Mount Doom for generations.
I watched Gil-galad die on the slopes of Oladruin, burned to death by the heat of Sauron. This is where the storm will gather that will engulf the world of men.
You see the look on those rangers' faces when our Lord came knocking on their door at the black night.
Aim down. Oh, ability point. Whoa, what the frick is an ability point? Enter. Oh, okay. Unlock by playing main missions. Countered enemies will be knocked backward, stunned, or knocked down. When your heat streak is when your hit streak. Oh yes, yes. Okay. Strike from above or something. Is it like volley of arrows? Right, Karagros? Press left to my Karagros from above. Oh, it's like a okay. Detonate shoot fires or barrels to cause them to explode. Ooh. Time your landings. Tap spacebar when mantling over obstacles to gain temper. Wait. Tap spacebar when mantling over. I'm gonna go with strike from above. Okay. I'm gonna try this. Press F. Okay. Every 8 consecutive hits. Could I like sap something from these people?
The quartermaster over there is slacking off. He's waiting.
Oh, that pole I thought was it. Oh, I'm too far out.
Freedom.
Can't see shit.
How can we be?
Thanks a plenty, stranger.
I thought we could go a few days without going on another hunt.
Am I on top of it? Is it like underneath me? Enter the Wraith World to find a nearby killer. X?
Uga Kuga.
Oga Kuga. To learn his details, you must find intel or interrogate another captain. Okay, let's mark out. I feel like that Ithildin thing is... Ah, okay, okay. So this is the Ithildin.
We got a slave on the run. Hunted.
Nani here Gelar Mordor.
English, please? No English? Okay, whatever the hell. I think it was like a mural. We have to complete the mural.
These are Ithildin,
Oh, here we
Star Moon, forged of Mithril. They hold memories of the ancient past. The knowledge within may be fair or ill.
Okay, I see.
If you ask me, that'll teach you to mouth off.
Freaking arrow.
I've spotted the
Okay,
building.
so like this is the captain or something.
I can take you, escaping slave.
Let's try this.
Give me the slip.
All of a sudden he's running away. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh shit. Okay, I thought I could grab him.
And fine! If one of my gang had scarpered like you did, I'd toss them in a Caragor pit.
What the hell is this? Lower Captain's health before grabbing him. Oh, okay. See, I don't even remember. Now?
They'll use you as a shield! My boys will hear about this, and you'll suffer! I promised you that!
Fuck, shit, that's so much bullshit. They always run away like little bitches. They get stronger, don't they? They run away. Why are there so many of you? I'm about to die.
Get behind him!
And now I press F. Ah, brutal. Okay. Run, 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 run. Oh, oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so does that weird space thing. Oh shit, arrow coming.
After him!
Gotta find a flower or something to eat. Press enter to entry. Books. Hollow. Things. Why there's so many? I feel like I'm really disorganized, like very badly. Oh, there's a tower here. So if we can climb up these rock faces, I see a little seam here. Oh, you know, just jump it. Who the fuck are you, Altair, all of a sudden? Okay, here's the thing. Magical. Oh, snap. Well. Okay. Okay, so what happens if I reforge? Oh, did I reforge the tower? Yeah, that's what it's doing. Okay.
A citadel from the ancient world. Secrets seen only by my eyes.
You can also advance time in the world by what? What? What would the use of that be? Baron's line. Oh my god, there's like so many. Okay, how do I access like quests or something like that? Target selection. So I got. So that's the thing. This is the main quest. This is like a battle brawl. Okay, so let's make him. How do I target him? Mark target. Okay. Exit menu. Okay, let's go try and kill him. Where is he? Main quest. Target is over this direction.
Bleed for me!
Oh, so I think that shot does do some damage. Oh, oops, I accidentally sliced that guy's face up too. Yeah. Okay, so I use a dagger to execute, so I don't think I can switch to it as a normal. There's so many. Can I do more Algeron to get rid of plus 4? No. So I can only have 4. Over here. Let's head this way. Hopefully we can get to that guy there. Oh, I think the green thing is a plant. I think so.
Right!
Down. Okay. Little green star. Okay. See, they don't let you get like 8 hits off on one guy. You'd have to do multiple guys for you to be able to do an execution.
Submit!
Let's keep moving. Oh, what's this? The geyser. Oh. Stop. That's boring. We go. I can't get over how good it looks. It honestly looks like super amazing.
Beg for mercy!
3. Oh my goodness. Ah, those are the things you can ride, I believe. Yeah. But I don't want to be riding those quite yet. I don't need. Oh. The hell? Wait, what? You're so far away. Let's go to the left.
So many bloody pigskins sticking up for more. Our archers are more terrifying than any puny elves.
Why don't you come over here, Ranger? Don't tell me you're scared.
Okay, oh, so this is a mission. Okay, let's do this. Silence orcs, relentlessly abuse lesser orcs. Blah, blah, blah. Investigate how the power of the Wraith can exploit these struggles, piercing weak minds to bring down the enemy forces from within. An orc mind is limited. One orc mind in particular shines as a blazing beacon of weakness. Okay. That's like the whole tapping.
Ranger! Come close if you want the black hand. Those slave scum are pouring poison in your ear. Oh, but you
Okay, so this guy is trying to bribe me, I'm guessing, to let him go. Yeah, see?
Now, what would you know that all these other dead
Why does he keep
orcs
pulling out the weird half-sword?
Go ahead, you bastard! Do it! I'll die, and you'll know nothing!
Maybe
Okay,
I'll
I'll just
grant your
interview him
request
real quick. I'll grab his
in
shit.
No. It's just that, look, those slaves are no match for the orc army. Their schemes as rotten as barrelfish. Ratbag can teach you the ways of the orc. Ratbag can make your plan work.
We're going to find out what you know.
Okay, so now it's use WASD to select Goroth. Spacebar to get intel. Okay, here we go. Holy fuck, power 7. Press 2 to reveal Goroth's strength and weaknesses. Gross is a weakness that you can exploit. His fear of Karagors will terrify him into a running stumbling coward. I don't want. Invulnerable cannot be damaged by your ranged attack. Fuck. Okay. Kill that bitch. Really? I'm just gonna
Your problem, Ranger, is the war chiefs. Strong leaders they are. Now, if something were to happen to them, then they wouldn't be able to stop your little insurrection, would they?
I would hunt them down.
How? They're not very popular around here, and they know it.
But you can find them.
Oh, yes. Ratbag will show you the way. You help me, I help you.
Okay, so I think I got like a follower.
Do not make me regret this deal.
Marvelous.
Probably will, you know, it's a frickin'.
Let's stop faffing about, huh? First, we need to take care of a certain captain and a few Karagors. Come with me, Ranger.
Yeah, this is definitely a bad idea. I think I'll leave it here, and we'll pick it up next
slaves will
episode,
stab you in the
and
back.
hopefully kill
At least an Uruk will stab you in the
this
front.
guy.
Most likely the throat.
Oh, jeez. Okay,
We have similar
anyway.
goals, Ranger. See, you want to kill the
Stop
captain.
talking.
Somebody's got to take his place.
There we go, okay.
Somebody
Shut up.
like Ratbag.
Shut up, no. Okay, so, thanks you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, stuff like that. Bye.